Did you know the average American spends more than $2,000 refreshing their home each summer? Yet most of that money goes to decor that's out of style within a year? Imagine transforming your space for a fraction of that cost. Summer 25 decorating is all about fresh color, sustainability, and clever multifunctional pieces that stretch your budget and your square footage. When you focus on the right trends, you can create a breezy, designer-looking room without painful price tags. The biggest obstacle most people face is cost. Throw pillows that look great online, suddenly feel overpriced in-store. And a single area rug can blow your budget. Then there's the overwhelm. One day, coastal blues dominate social media. The next, everyone's into citrus palettes. It's hard to decide what actually works for your space while keeping costs down. Here's the strategy that does both. Start with a coastal citrus palette. Swap heavy neutrals for a single accent color, sea glass green, coral, or lemon yellow. Paired with a sandy base. Repaint thrift store picture frames in that accent shade and group them for a vibrant gallery wall. Paint samples and secondhand frames run under $10, yet the finished wall feels custom. Layer in sustainable naturals. Jute rugs, bamboo lanterns, and organic linen throws look high-end, but can be snagged cheap at discount retailers or resale marketplaces. Reclaim an old cotton sheet by adding fringe for an on-trend lumbar pillow. Fabric glue works fine if you don't sew. You've upcycled fabric and saved cash. Add statement greenery. Terracotta pots cost little at big box stores. Whitewash them with leftover wall paint. Cluster 3 different heights and drop in snake plants or pothos. The pots look boutique. The plants purify air. And the corner suddenly feels like a summer conservatory. Mix brushed brass and matte black accents. Thrift stores hide solid brass candlesticks for a few dollars. Remove tarnish with lemon and baking soda. Anchor them beside a clearance aisle matte black lamp, and the contrast screams designer chic. Choose multifunctional furniture. A nesting side table set doubles as extra seating for backyard parties. Upgrade a basic IKEA table with peel and stick wood grain film. You've created a mid-century statement piece under $15. Here's what this looks like in practice. I started with a dark living room crowded by a clunky coffee table, mismatched cushions, and no greenery. For $95 total, I painted 5 thrifted frames coral and created a gallery above the sofa. Rolled out a $20 jute rug that brightened the floor. Whitewashed 3 terracotta pots and added pothos for lush texture. Replaced winter-heavy cushions with linen covers found for $5 each at a secondhand shop. Added a brass candlestick pair and a matte black lamp from the clearance shelf for $18. In one weekend, the room went from dated to airy, beach house chic, no new sofa required. Remember these essentials. Pick one bold summer color, lean into sustainable textures, use statement plants, blend modern metals, and source multi-purpose furniture. Small, budget-friendly choices combine to give your home a fresh seasonal energy while supporting greener living. What budget decor move will you try first? Share your best summer-ready tips or thrift finds in the comments, and explore my channel for more wallet-friendly DIY inspiration that keeps your style current all year long.